Are you locked out of Dropbox because you can't get into your Authenticator app? Maybe you lost your phone, or you wiped it without thinking, and now you're staring at that two-factor authentication code screen with no way to get the code. It is super frustrating. But don't worry. I am going to show you exactly how to turn off two-factor authentication in under 2 minutes and get you back into your account. So here's the plan. First, we'll sign into Dropbox and navigate to your security settings. Then, I will walk you through the process of disabling two-step verification, step by step. By the end of this video, you will have full access to your account again with no more roadblocks. Let's start. Open up your browser and go to Dropbox.com. If you are already signed out, that is totally fine. We're going in fresh. Now go ahead and sign in to your Dropbox account. This is the part where you might be worried, but just enter your email and your password as you normally would. If you get prompted for a two-factor authentication code and you cannot get it, look for a link that says something like "Use a recovery code" or "Try another way." If you have a recovery code saved, great, use that. If not, do not panic. We are still going to get this sorted out. Once you are in, look in the top right corner of the screen. You will see your profile icon, probably a little circle with your initials or a picture. Click on that. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. It is usually near the bottom of that list. Now, once you are in the Settings page, you need to find the Security tab. It is right there along the top, probably between Account and something else. Go ahead and click on that. Alright, now we are in the Security settings. Scroll down a little bit until you see the section labeled Two-Step Verification or Two-Factor Authentication. It is usually right there in the middle of the page, pretty easy to spot, and here is the part you have been waiting for. Next to that section, there will be a button that either says Manage or Turn Off. Click on that button. Now, Dropbox might ask you to enter your password again. This is just a standard security step to make sure it is really you, so go ahead and type that in. Once you do that, you will see a warning. This is the important part. It will tell you that turning off two-factor authentication makes your account less secure, and they are not wrong. If you plan to set it back up later, make sure you have access to your phone again. But for right now, since you are locked out, go ahead and read that warning, and then confirm that you do want to disable it. Click the confirmation button. Now let's double-check our work. Back on your security settings page, look at that same spot where you clicked Manage. It should now say something like Two-Step Verification is off, or just show the option to turn it on. That is how you know it worked, and that is it. You are no longer blocked by two-factor authentication. You have full access to your Dropbox again. I know how stressful it is to be locked out of your own stuff, so I am really glad that helped. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and I will see you in the next one.